Hello everyone, in this video I will unbox the Mi Band 2. So let's begin. So I have bought it from Flipkart. Its price is 1799. You can check the actual price to be rupees something around 2400. It's nice band. See, it's 2499. Now let me unbox it. This is the band, the actual sensor. So let's open it now. See, this is the band, the wrist wrap. So it's made up of silicone. It's very nice and smooth. It will not affect the skin. So this is the sensor, actual sensor. It's small and it's very nice. So it has a touch button and the heart rate sensor is in the back. So other things, this is the manual. This is the charging cable to charge the band. So you have to insert it like this and then charge it. This is the user manual. Please read this manual before using the band because it has some important informations. So it's printed in English and also in Chinese. So let me keep all these things. Now let me pair it to my phone. So this is my phone, Redmi Note 5, and let's download the Mi Fit app. So it's downloading. So this is the official Mi app to link this band. So you will get all the informations of the band from this app. So you have to sign in with your Mi account or Google or any account. So let me do a quick login. So I am creating my account. I have the Mi account. So you have to put all the details, name, birth, height, weight. Let me put all the details. So it's your goal. So this is the app. So now the band is not paired actually, no paired devices. So I have to pair the band first. So it's band. Okay. So it will connect via Bluetooth. So it's searching for the band. It will connect in a few moments. So after connection you will get all the details of the band in the app. I think the band is not charged, so let me first charge it because the phone can't find it. So I am plugging in the charger. So let me plug it. Yes. So I am charging it with my Mi power bank. So it has low power mode. So yes, now it's on. So see, see, you have to tap the band to get the confirmation. So let me tap. Okay, it's done. So now the band is paired with my device. See, you have to charge the band because out of the box it has no charge. So it's charging, and you can pause the video to see the features of the app. So it's actually very nice app. Hello again, this is the review of this band after a week usage. So this band has a touch switch which is very smooth. It can display all the informations, which can also be customized by the Mi Fit app. So you can see all these features. So it's very nice. And see, the price is 1799 in Mi store or Flipkart or anywhere. So it can count steps, and the step counting is almost accurate. So this is the heart rate sensor. The heart rate sensor is accurate if you tightly fasten the band to your wrist, else it will show a wrong reading. So it can track the heart rate. So the sleep tracking is very nice. So it can track the sleep exactly. That is, the accuracy is 100%. So the band is IP67 splash resistant. So you can see, you can take a shower with it, you can even swim with it, so no problem. So it's very nice because you have to wear it all the day. So it comes with a 20 days battery life, and the battery life is fine. So it's nice. So you can see all these things. Now let me show you the Mi Fit app. So after you open the app, it will synchronize the data, all the datas of the band, and you can see that the last night's sleep 7 hours 30 minutes. So the deep sleep and light sleep are distinguished in this band. So it's more or less accurate. So the sleep accuracy is very good in this band. So you can see the history of every day you have slept. So it's nice. So the heart rate also shows here, when the step count is shown. So in step count you can see that you have ran, or you have walked. Everything is shown here. So yeah, also the histories are shown there. So it's good. These things are pretty nice in this band. You can see the app. So the next thing is this activity thing. You have limited activities, but there are many more you can tag. So see, the band is 75% charge 4 days ago. So in 4 days it's 75. So for 16 days it will have no problem. So these are the band alerts. You can turn on or off. See, everything you can see. So no need to explain. So the app is very nice. So here I am talking about that this behavior tagging. So you can tag any kind of behavior. So you can check the app. It's very good. No issue with the app. So that's it. Everything. Comment if you have any doubt regarding this band, and subscribe to our channel to support us, and you can check the other videos in our channel. So thank you.